Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure team collaboration with Slack, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start securing team collaboration with Slack, first, create a dedicated workspace for your team. Once the workspace is set up, invite all team members to join. Ensure that every user has a unique email address associated with their Slack account. Next, go to the workspace settings to adjust security preferences. Enable two-factor authentication for added account protection. Make it mandatory for all team members to use this feature. Limit guest access to sensitive channels to maintain privacy. Set up channel permissions to control who can see and engage in conversations. Encourage the use of private channels for discussions that require confidentiality. Use Slack's built-in security features, such as data encryption in transit and at rest. Regularly review and audit user access and permissions. Utilize Slack's compliance features to adhere to data protection regulations. Train your team on best practices for using Slack securely. Remind them to avoid sharing sensitive information in public channels. Encourage the use of integrations that enhance security, like password managers or project management tools. Establish a clear protocol for reporting any security incidents. Monitor integrations and apps connected to your Slack workspace for security vulnerabilities. Regularly update team members on any changes to Slack's security policies or features. Finally, foster an open culture where team members feel comfortable discussing security concerns. By following these steps, you can create a secure environment for effective team collaboration with Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.